Enough salad for you?
Yeah, do it. No, okay. Thank you.
Oh, that's something we need to correct. That's like challah bread. Remember, we had this on the plane.
Yes, we did.
How did you handle it?
Fine.
What size are the pizzas?
Yeah.
Yeah? Stroganoff.
My favourite.
Grab it. We'll heat you up at home. Yeah, we don't.
It's not your favourite, it's mum's favourite.
I'll live. What else you got? Oh, 50% off. What do we have? Falafel. Spanakopita. Oh, grab a spanakopita.
What are these?
Yeah. For $3, I ain't gonna miss that. Like a mini burak. Right, let's walk around a bit more and let's go.
Okay, well that's
Yes, the prices are higher, but there's more in the packet. I'm alright with cheese. I'm alright. I don't pay these prices anyhow. Oh. Hey, so cheap everywhere. I bought them. Obey.
Don't any more cottage cheese.
I got half a container, so and it's a big one. Oh, okay. Would you mind very much if you buy sheep's yogurt?
What you want?
Sheep's yogurt, the green. Oh, this is very interesting. You alright?
Yes.
I can see you enjoying a lot of these meals, yeah? That's amazing. And this is a very small Whole Foods. Alright. Blocked off. Isn't that the things you like?